Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Is this yours?
No, my friend.
My friend?
Brother, yeah. We got the purple one back there too.
Yes, sir. I brought it. Thank you very much. Is this 615s? 8 ZV? Oh, ZV6 is on. Is it 412K salts?
6K.
Oh, those are 6K. Man, that's efficient.
Yep.
Solid doors.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of the system at Slamfest Audio near Tampa area. Be sure to give it a like and comment what you like about this system. I didn't actually get to meet the owner during this demo. One of his friends were demoing for him, so sorry about that if you're looking for more info. I tried to get a full walk around so you can see all the equipment and electrical. Powerful lithium bank from Limitless. It looks like the G series, and 4 of these 6,000 watts saw 8Ks. And if you notice the way the subwoofers are mounted, an optimal amount of space in this fourth order. Looks like a 4 or 5 to 1 ratio fourth order. Subs being inverted with a bunch of cone area. I thought they were 12s at first, but they look like 15s. Just really big, beefy magnets from the Sundown Audio team. Did a good job. Shout out to y'all. And if you notice, you can look even at the bottom of the platform of the box. Optimal amount of space, even building angles and chamfers around the enclosure. So smart idea there if anybody's looking to get the most out of their system. Big ratio fourths are the way to go. And if you notice the way the amplifiers are mounted, I didn't really get a poke of the camera behind them, but it looks like there's something behind the amplifiers, maybe for the door speakers as well, and like the amplifiers for them and all the other wiring jobs. So 24,000 plus watts, of course, rated for 8 subs in this demo we're getting to now. Subscribe if you haven't. I do daily car audio videos, and enjoy this crazy demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.